foreigner in the Philippines, good afternoon. We're on our way home now. Is it recorded? Yeah. We're on our way home now from church, and this is my OOTD outfit of the day. So I got a very nice dress from Australia. Thank you, Paul and Todd. Right? No, got that. And I got a bag from Manang Joe in America. My bra is from America also. My gosh, that's it. We need to build up that hole there because the bones of the truck hits it, the stones there. Yeah, and my underwear is from England. Yeah, that's there with this very nice polo from Australia, right? And he got a new pants from America. Thank you. This is from Paul and Dude, and this is from John S. in America. Thank you, sir. And then nanay, usay mo OOTD nanay, kasi naghatag anak nanay. Nanay already forgotten who give, so yeah, thank you. It's very nice day. I don't have, my fever is gone now. I'm hoping it will not be gone. Yeah, I think it's because, di ba nanay, tungod sa wakoy kaon nga luto, mao nga gilantan ko nanay, no? Yeah, nanay agreed that the reasons why I have fever because I didn't eat rice.
Oh, she did?
Yeah. Very nice camera. There is a typhoon, I think not a typhoon but low pressure. There also is the fight of Pacquiao in America. I think America, but I think Pacquiao win.